Okay, good morning students. This is 11th standard 4th unit poem. Okay, so last video we have seen the first part. Now I am going to start the second part of the poem, the mystery cat. Okay, Macavity, the mystery cat. Mystery means what? Something that is magical, something that you do not know how it happens. Okay, that is what we say mystery. We say mythological. Okay, mythological, magical. Okay, so mystery. Okay, so that is what Macavity is, that kind of thing. Okay, if anything goes wrong, or if anything gets stolen or something is missing, okay, it's all will be like a mystery. It all will be the actions done by the master criminal Macavity. Okay, now coming to the poem, we have gone to we are starting from the 4th stanza. Okay, his brow is deeply lined. Okay, I told you before itself, the cat is being personified as a male. Okay, that is why we see as his. The cat is personified as a male. Okay, so his brow, the cat's, Macavity's brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. His head is highly domed means what? I have given in an explanation here. Domed means what? The top shape of a mask. The top shape of a mask. Mask means you all know it's a temple for Muslims. Okay, the mask, how it will be on the top? It will be a kind of like curve shape. Okay, that is what we say, the top shape of a mask, or the top half size of a ball. If you cut a ball into half, okay, you will get a shape. That is what the Macavity's cat. Now we are seeing in this stanza the appearance of the cat. Okay, the poet has given the explanation of the appearance of the cat. How it is said this is its brow is deeply lined with thought. So it's a serious criminal, the criminal person. Okay, cat always busy with his thought, what to do, what next to steal, okay, what next crime we can commit. Okay, so it is always alert. His brow is deeply lined in thought. His head is highly domed means what? Those lines explains that the cat is very seriously in thinking about something. Okay, his coat is dusty. Next line, his coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. Okay, his coat is dusty. His coat is dusty means what? This lines tell that the cat is very busy. It does not have time to take care of it. Okay, it is very busy. His coat is dusty from neglect. Coat is full of dusty, and his whiskers are uncombed. Whiskers means what? The hair which grows on the cat. Okay, so you might have seen on the nose, near the nose, below the nose, those hairs are called whiskers. Okay, those whiskers are uncombed. So these lines explains that the cat is very busy. It does not have time to change its coat or clean the coat or comb its hair. Okay, he sways his head from side to side, the movements like a snake. He sways his head. Sways means what? Movement. Okay, it is moving his head like a snake from one side to another. Moves his head like a snake. So it's a simile. You all know like means what? Simply comparing the movements of the cat to that of a snake. So that is what here this line is a simile. When you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. If you think the cat is sleeping, you are making a wrong decision, because the cat is always wide awake. Okay, you might think that the cat is closing his eyes and taking a rest for a while, but that is where your calculation goes wrong, that the cat is always alert. It is a ginger cat. Before also we saw that it's a ginger cat means what? Always alert and very cautious. Okay, always very careful. Okay, so that kind of cat is this Macavity cat. I hope you might have understood the first stanza. I am going to the next stanza. second video, the second Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. There is no one like Macavity. So you can see that this line is always repeated. Okay, before Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, because the poet is keeping on telling that no one can replace, no one can be a replica for this cat, because it is one and only one, the master criminal. Okay, nobody can catch it. It is an elusive cat. Nobody can catch it. Okay, it is impossible to catch it. Okay, next, Macavity. There is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in a felling shape. Okay, once again talking the qualities of the cat. Qualities. He is a fiend. Fiend means what? A demon. Fiend means what? A demon. A demon, or what? A devil. He is a devil in the form of a cat. The form of a cat. For he is a fiend. For he is a fiend in a felon shape. Felon means what? Felon refers to the quality of a cat. Quality of a cat. Okay. Felon, we say felon means it refers to the qualities of a cat. Likewise, canine. Canine means it refers to the qualities of a dog. Okay. So likewise, felon means it refers to the qualities of a cat. Fiend in a felon shape, a monster of depravity, full of evilness. Is full of evilness. Okay, full of bad qualities. Okay, a monster of depravity. Monster means what? A creature. Okay, that does not have a regular shape or something. It looks awkward. It looks ugly. A monster of depravity. Depravity means what? In the book back, if you see depravity, evil quality, full of evilness. Depravity. I have written here evilness. Okay, the cat is full of evilness. You may meet him in a by street. You can see the cat in a street or in a square. You may meet him in a by street. You may see him in the square. Normally you can see him in the street, or you might see him in the square. Square means what? A junction or a place where four roads are there, or some shops are there, where people come and take some relaxation, or they take on a bus or somewhere. You might see him in the platform side somewhere. That is what we say a square. Okay, where four shops will be there, a kind of busyness will be there, where people will be busy there buying some things, kind of like market or something. That is what we say square. Okay, you can see him there. You can see him in a street, or you can see him in a square. But when a crime is discovered, if a crime is being committed elsewhere, anywhere, it would be definitely the master criminal Macavity, but you cannot catch him, because he will not be there. He will commit the crime and he will fly away. Because that is what in the past video also I told you, he is a bafflement. He is a great challenge for the Scotland Yard. He is challenging to even the fakir. Fakir means what I told you. Fakir means what? Siddha. In Tamil we say Sittar. Okay, that what does a fakir has? What is his quality? So far we have learned a fakir means what? He would fly. He will not be there. He is invisible. So automatically it is impossible to catch. So Macavity, he is surpassing them. He outruns them. Okay, do you understand? So that much quality is the Macavity having. Okay. So when a crime is committed, you cannot find there. When a crime is discovered, the Macavity is not there. So that is the second, and that is the next stanza. Now the next stanza. He is outwardly respectable. Outwardly he might be respectable. Okay, a person of respectable, a person of dignity or something, a dignified person. Who? This Macavity cat. But you see the next line in bracket, they say he cheats at cards. They say that he cheats at cards. So you can see cards, you can imagine where they play cards and where criminals and all play cards. It might be in a pub or some place, okay, a forbidden place where people only criminals will come to that place playing cards, and you can see McCavity cheating at cards. Okay, he easily cheats at cards, but outwardly he is looking respectable. Okay, and his footprints are not found in any file of the Scotland Yard. His footprints, definitely, that is the basic thing a policeman will do. The police people will do. Okay, when they find a crime is committed, they will find if there is any footprints, but you cannot find the footprint of the mysterious cat McCavity, because he is something apart from all the criminals. And when the lauders looted, lauders means what? Lauders means cupboard. Lauder means what? Cupboard. Lauders looted. Looted means robbed, stolen. If a cupboard is being stolen, okay, if a cupboard is being stolen, looted, okay, ransacked, or the jewel case is rifled, or the jewel, where women and all, they keep their jewel ornaments in a box, okay, jewel box. If that box is being rifled means what? Rifled means, if you might have seen in television and all, a house which is being robbed, how it will be full of clothes here and there, okay, things will be scattered like that. That is what the exact meaning of rifled. Okay, the jewel box will be opened, okay, thrown here and there. That is what the exact meaning of rifle. Okay, when the lauders looted, the cupboard will be opened, all the things will be here and there scattered. Okay, it won't be looking nice. Okay, the lauders looted, or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing. Of course, obviously it is a cat, so when the milk is missing, or another peck is been rifled. Peckies means what? Peckies means it's a Chinese dog. Okay, that's dog. The dog itself is being controlled. Okay, it is being controlled by a cat. This is what you have to see. Mostly, generally, we see a dog will be chasing a cat, but here you see this monster criminal is stopping the. It is controlling the Pekingese dog. Okay, Pekingese dog. Peck is being stifled, or when the milk is missing, or another peck is being stifled. Stifled means what? To stop someone from doing something. To stop someone from doing something. That is what we say stifled. Okay, kind of like suffocating, stopping them to breathe. That is what peck is being stifled. So that is what the third stanza you might have seen. Next we will go to the next stanza. Or the greenhouse glass is broken, or the greenhouse glass is broken, and the trellis past repair. Greenhouse glass is broken. So if any glass, greenhouse glass, garden glass is broken, okay, it is not definitely the action of the great McCavity. Okay, greenhouse glass is broken. Or in the garden there will be some trellis. Trellis means what? Trellis which is kept as a wooden. Trellis means what? A wooden bar. Okay, a wood which is kept for the creeper to grow. Creeper means what? Creeper is a plant which grows everywhere. You can see creepers, climbers. You can see those creeper. The creeper is a plant that grows on the tree and all. Okay, where you can see on many places where it grows like that in a zigzag way. Okay, climbers in every house they keep. So that you can see they will keep one stick there. They will place one stick so that it will climb on that stick. If the stick is thrown away, if it is repaired, definitely it is the action of McCavity. Okay, or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair. That's the wonder of the thing. Definitely that's the wonder. Wonder is none other than the cat. Wonder, it's a full of surprise and surprises. Okay, because see that that's the wonder of the thing. McCavity is not that. It is the reason for every damage. Okay, it is the reason for everything. Okay, but you cannot find any trace or proof. Okay, that is what they are telling. And when the Foreign Office find a treaty gone astray, Foreign Office find a treaty gone astray, they might be having some plan or something. Everything will be dismantled, everything will be thrown away, okay, spoiled by this cat. Okay, some treaty, everything will be spoiled. Okay, when the Foreign Office find a treaty, treaty means what? A kind of like agreement. Okay, agreement doctrines or agreement documents will be there. Those documents and all will be flown away. It will be taken away or it will be thrown away by this cat. Okay, Macavity. When the Foreign Office find a treaty is gone astray, or the Admiralty. Admiralty means what? A commissioner or a person who is in a great rank. Admiralty, a government department that administers the British Navy. Admiralty, they are telling a British Navy, a government officer, Admiralty. Okay, or the Admiralty lose some plans and drawings. By the way, he might be having some plans or map or something to attack any person, to attack the opposite person. Okay, that plan or map or something that will be gone. It will be drawn. It will be the drawings and everything will be taken by the cat. It will be taken by the cat. It will be thrown somewhere. So all these atrocities are done by the Macavity cat. That is, I think, the suitable title, The Mystery Cat, given by T.S. Eliot. Okay, so that is how the fourth stanza from the. I'll give you a cap for just cap for it. So his brow is deeply lined, his head is highly domed. Domed means what? Full of thought. He does not comb his hair. His coat is dusty. Okay, and he is moving his movements like snake. And if you think that the cat is sleeping, it is a great mistake, because he is definitely half asleep and half wide awake. Okay, next he is in a form of a demon. He is in a he is a form of a fiend in a feline shape. Fiend means what? Demon. Demon in a form of feline shape. Feline means what? Cat. Okay, then you may see him anywhere. You may see him in a street or a square. Square means what? A place where people are there. People will be busy. Square. Okay, you may see him there. But when a crime is discovered, if any crime is done, definitely it will be done by the cat, but you cannot catch it. You cannot catch it because it is an elusive character. Okay, it is difficult to catch. Okay, he is outwardly respectable, but the poet is telling that he is everybody are telling that he is cheating at cards. Okay, he is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any Scotland Yard. Okay, nobody is having the footprint, because only by the footprint we can give as a proof. There is no witness for his action. Okay, there is no proof for the action done by the Macavity. When the Lord is looted, if the cupboard, the Lord is looted, or the jewel case is rifled, okay, all those robbing things, if any theft, okay, if any theft is happened, definitely is the action of the Macavity. But the poet is very, very confident that you cannot catch Macavity, because he is having certain qualities, outstanding qualities. Okay, milk is missing, the greenhouse is broken, greenhouse glass is broken, or the dog's control, it is taken charge by the cat only. Okay, and definitely it's a wonder thing. Wonder means what? Full of surprises. Macavity is not there. Then a foreign treaty, if it is gone astray, or some drawings, the Admiralty, the government officer will have some map or drawing to execute those plans and all. Those map, if it is gone astray, if it is lost, definitely it is the Macavity. You cannot find it. So we will see the remaining 3 stanzas on the next class. Thank you.